Okay, so we've got these gold paint pens from Artistro. They sent these to us so we could show them to you. But what they are, they actually paint. It's a little paint marker, basically. And this one I haven't used yet. You can see the end of it's still white. But to make it go, you just push up and down, up and down, up and down until the paint comes down there into the tip. And this one I have used. And what I wanted to know was, this is our little, this is for chalk for rock climbers, but we're using it right now for our painted rocks. But what I wanted to know was if it would write over the top of the blue spray paint that we already put on here. And guess what? It does. It paints on the smooth side and the rough and bumpy side. I'll just show you here. Now, look at that. Ta-da! That wrote really, really nicely. And here's the one I did before. It says, on the rough side it says now, and on this side, the smoother side, it says now. But it writes really nicely, and it has a nice fine point to it. So it's really, I'm pretty impressed with that. That works out really nicely. I wasn't sure if it would or not, but they also, the chalk bag they sent to us so that we could show it to you. Those people did, but really, I wanted to show you these, but I just happened to have all my painted rocks in here because we needed a place to store them. So, and ta-da, now I get to write on them. Ha ha, how about that? Good stuff. Thank you.